So good morning guys, Happy New Year, and today is January 4th. I'm going to start our day with cooking because yesterday we went to, I'm just sharing you guys that yesterday I was invited of our friends to go in a restaurant that somewhere in Pattaya that they call is beer garden. Beer garden is somewhere in Pattaya, but so we eat there at dinner. So we arrived there around 4:30, and then it's very good place. The setting of their place is so nice, and it's the sunset. When the sunset is going down, so you can see it. It's like you can smell the ocean because it's surrounded by water, and you can see plenty of boat there. It's really nice and it's very good. It's really clean, and the good things there is their food because their food are not really expensive, but it's a really good size of food. The portion of their food is so good, and I can't finish the half of the chicken. I think I ordered the chicken, and then they serve with some vegetables and French fries. Oh my God, I cannot finish it. So now today I'm going to share to you what I'm going to do, the recycles of leftover from the restaurant yesterday. So I'm going this one to share to you guys. So this is the leftover. So they gave me for half of the whole, half of the chicken. So half of the chicken is too big. So I think it's 2% is enough to eat. Mostly if they have some side dish, like they have still have plenty of vegetables they added on it. So now it's too big, so I cannot finish it. So now today I'm going to share to you guys how I make it the leftover chicken. Let's do cooking, guys. So this morning I went to the street here, very near here in our condo, and then supposedly I'm going to check with Nanay. The old lady is selling all the vegetables there. I like the malunggay there because she's the only one here in Jenten that's selling malunggay. It's like moringa. I think it's the moringa. She's the only one woman selling here because when I went to the main market, I couldn't find the malunggay, or in the rumpo market they don't have. So now because she don't have, I said to Nanay maybe she is going to have it tomorrow. I need to order 2 Thai of malunggay so I can keep it in the fridge because I like vegetables. So now I dropped by in 7-Eleven because they have a 7-Eleven very near here, and then this is what I get. This is a bunch of water grease. I think is kangkong. It's water grease. And then I have the string beans. And I still have in the fridge. So I have the lemongrass, ginger, and tomato, onions, and chili, and green onions. So let's do cooking, guys. So anyway, guys, I've noticed here in Thailand that every time that we are going to walk in the street or like somewhere in the beach road, in Grampian Beach Road, going to the market, because we normally I'm going to, I always walk sometimes early in the morning when I'm going to the market. Also, I'm just walking from here and going to the market. And then I've noticed that I never see people is begging for money, and never saw beggars here in the street and every corner, in even in somewhere in Pattaya in the city. I never saw somebody is begging for money, just sitting down just asking for money. I never see it here. Okay, guys, so we are now going to check our recycle leftover. This is our recycled or leftover, guys. Oh, smelling good now. Oh. Mmm, it's good. Next, I need to add our string beans. It's time to add our watercress or kangkong in Philippines with some of the pepper and cover. Let's eat, guys. Thanks, babe. So let's eat lunch. Our lunch is almost 3 o'clock. This is the vegetables and the chicken that left over from the restaurant last night. And I have egg, a little bit, and rice. And we have a dragon fruits and mango. And Bob is mozzarella cheese roll and bacon. So let's eat, guys. This is our lunch.
Yesterday we had a lot of food.
Yeah. Mmm.
Everything's delicious.
Food, the chicken today is good now. But it's too big, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Half of the chicken, they have legs, they have and the breast one, and then it's huge. So I said, I cannot finish it. This one is the legs one. I eat the breast, yes, last night. With plenty of french fries and vegetable.
Right.
Mm.
They're good places.
Yeah.
All of them. Beer going.
Yeah. It's have a very good sunset there.
Yes.
So you have to go there like at 5 o'clock and 5 o'clock, yeah, 5:30. You can see the sunset there.
Mm-hmm. It's right on the water.
Mm.
The ocean.
Bob's favorite,
Sugar free.
yeah, that's Singha. I think that's a local drinks here.
I think so.
Yeah.
Very good.